This is a blown engine. May not look like it, but it is. And we're gonna have to redo this whole bottom end. Now, luckily for me, yeah, I still gotta take this out, but we're gonna be rebuilding this. So here we go. We got EM Performance, shout out to them, sponsor. E&M Performance pistons, E&M rods, E&M turbo in there. We got the EM 555 for now, and then we'll go to the 750. We got head studs, head gasket, main bearings, rod bearings, fuel slime, well, for the fuel system for more E. Always got to have one of those. And a few other things. We got a new crank because what happened here, the engine seized up in the middle of driving. So when it seizes, obviously there's something wrong with the bearings. We could have went just doing the bearings, but why not? If we're gonna open it up, we might as well open it up, like for real. So this is what these pistons look like, since there's nothing out there about it. 1, 2, 3, 4 areas. This is the underside. You can look at it through and through. These are the rods. They got H and I beams. Feels good. Feels like it got good weight to it. So, before anything, got clean. So this is what we got going on. We took off the head gasket, and this motor had low compression in cylinder 3, and the head gasket was completely blown. It was off timing. So what we're gonna do, flip this around, get the pistons, get the rods out, get the crank out, all of that stuff. Just make sure everything's good and clean. Make way for the new stuff and go from there. But as you can see, cylinder oil looks pretty good. Honestly, this looks like this was getting washed a little bit, and that's because this is where the head gasket was blown. And you can see a lot of coolant was mixing here also. As you can see, these two, I mean, it's just, man, this was a 120,000 mile motor. Pieces of the piston. That's crazy. Look at all that. Nasty. Gotta clean it out. You can see the carnage right there. Let's see what we got. Look at that. You can literally see it. Insane. Pistons, rods are out. We found the issue with this motor, really. So, yeah, this one. Look at that. It's broken. It's gone. There's no ring right there where it's there. But that's what failed. That's why this motor had low compression. But spins nice. These are all the the timing components. Those are timing guides, magnet. Those are the cams. Let's get a close up on these cams so you can see. These are the valves. These are the pistons. This is the engine block. It's looking good as new after it's cleaned. These little things right there are oil squirters. But yeah, look at that. Look at that. Very nice. Very nice. Here we go. EM Performance. Just so we know. That's what we like to see. All right, so this is the EM 555. We will soon get the stage 1, well, stage 2, so we can go upwards of 700. But EM, this is all of the stock parts that you need for it. This is the wastegate. So I got one of those Amazon wastegates, those IS38s, and what I had to do was get another wastegate. Let me see, focus. I had to get another wastegate and cut it. I'll leave a little picture of it right here, but that's what I had to buy. We cut it in half and then just lined it up. Got it to 3.5 volts. And yeah, look at the size difference. All right, so here's how I lined up. That goes just a little offset there, so we're gonna have to fix that. Had to bend this though to get this to fit, but everything else on the turbo itself, cool. Right here, did not line up. Push it, but nah. So that's another part that will probably have to be lined up, but everything else, cool.
You gotta
Put the clamp, yeah. I'm gonna put this. Wait. Wait, we gotta go. It's been 3 years. Okay, bro. You ready? Yeah. All right. Here you go. Whoa. Oh shit. Now we got signal of gas, so we good. All right, here we go. Oh shit. Bro. Yes, sir. Down and she running. Yes, sir. That's crazy.